Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to freeze and unfreeze columns and rows. Freeze and unfreeze panes is basically in view. The menu view as freeze and unfreeze, there is an option. Why we wanted to use freeze and unfreeze panes is basically when I am working on this particular data set, there is a huge table. So when I am scrolling vertically, or if I am scrolling horizontally, I wanted to place the header and the section as it is. I don't want them to move when I am scrolling. In order to do that, first I have to click on from where exactly I wanted to freeze the panes. So let me freeze the pane from this, the complete row, which is 2. This complete row, which is row number 2. This section will not move. This section will be always there, so that whenever I am scrolling, I can see this section. Like this, I can see the header. Because I am able to see the section which is of the header, I'll be able to simply scroll without any issues. If I wanted to unfreeze, select unfreeze panes. Now the rows has been unfreezed. I am done with the rows. Let me freeze the columns. I am freezing this column A. If I scroll, the column A should remain constant. Select freeze first column and scroll. If you notice, this section is not moving at all. Scroll. If you see the column A and the segment header with the government, it is not moving. This is how you can use freeze and unfreeze panes.